Welcome back to my humble garage. I'm gonna upgrade the lights here inside my garage. I've been meaning to actually to upgrade this for a long time now. Well, actually, I kind of upgraded the lights, sort of. So I changed it to LED. I'll show you what kind of lights that I have before.
As you can see on this footage, these are the light output that I'm working with before. There's 2 daylight bulb and a portable work light that I have in front of the wall.
I did upgrade with the LED lights here. I got it from Amazon. It's actually good. I'm gonna show you here. So actually I have 3 of those LED lights that I got from Amazon. It's pretty cheap though, but the light output, it's so amazing. But again, it's not enough. I need more lights. So that being said, I need more lights because apparently at the back, as you can see right over there, right there, it's a little bit dark and I cannot see. So on today's video, I'm gonna share with you this one here. It's Barrina LED T5 Fixture. So I got this from Amazon. It's pretty cheap. It's like 119 bucks. There are tons of good reviews about it. So I was like, why not? And the good part about it is every light, every bulb, or every housing, sort of, you can connect them all together. So it includes the main switch here. So you have the main switch, you have the plug, and you have the adapter. Just put it in there, and that goes on the other side. Same on the other side here. So what you can do is you can like put it together, sort of. So we'll see. It's pretty long, actually. It is actually longer than the regular bulb, or like regular. Like as you can see there, it's pretty long. But anyway, we're gonna install it. I'm gonna show you how to install it. Well, it has instructions. It's basically like a clip-on thingy. So it comes with, oh shoot, it hit my jack. Anyway, so it comes with the clips and the hardwares. It's just a snap-on actually. So here, all you have to do is screw it on your ceiling and snap the bulb in there. So it's pretty neat, but we'll see. Well, the bulb itself, it feels cheap though. Yeah, it feels cheap. Like this is plastic. It's kind of, what material is this? I'm not sure, but anyway, we will see. We will see the verdict. Alrighty, so it comes with 3 different wires, or 4. So this is a longer one. So end to end. First, so end to end, the same plug, but it's longer. And comes with a shorter one, like this. And I think this is for hard wiring. I'm not sure, but as you can see here, yeah, I believe this is for hard wiring. Not sure, not really electrician thing. So
As I mentioned earlier, installing these lights are pretty easy. It's just plug and play. Probably the hardest part is planning exactly where you want to put your pattern in place.
it's amazing. It's like a puzzle. So nice. But before anything else, let's move this Type R outside so we have more space. Yeah, I know. I know, she's dirty. Yeah, she's dirty. Don't judge me. But anyway, okay, this Type R is due for full detailing paint correction. I'm planning to ceramic coat this B. So I have the Avalon King. Actually, I got this from the mail, I think 2 days ago. Why I choose Avalon King for ceramic coating? Well, shout out to Pan the organizer. I saw this product on his YouTube channel. I'm planning to get G Technique, like all over, for the tires, for the wheels, and for the whole body of the car. It's just that Avalon King proclaimed that you can coat a vinyl wrap. My car has a vinyl wrap. Yes, she's dirty. We're gonna detail it coming soon on the next video. But anyway, it is wrapped with 3M gloss black, and the roof is wrapped in 3M gloss black as well. Anyway, so we're going to unbox this one as well. So I got three orders of the Avalon King ceramic coating. So very excited. So probably if we have time, well, I just got home from work. I'm quite full on the weekend, so I don't have any time to like really put these lights on. And I'm really stoked and I'm really excited to put some new lights because it's kind of hard for me to see everything while I'm detailing. So anyway, join me. Let's go. Let's start.
And by the way, my baby's name is Hachi. So while Hachi is heating up, I want to make sure to measure everything up before putting it in and put all the screw and hard wires. Well, I'm taking it back. There's a reason why it was made from plastic. One, because it's LED, and two, in case a scenario like this. Again, installing this light is a no-brainer. Just plug and play. Probably it took me an hour to finish the project. And of course, you want to make sure everything is aligned, so at least it looks good and perfect. finally, we are finished. I'm excited to share with you the final result. Are they worth it? From my Jurassic setup to LED bulbs to full blast LED fixture. Going back to the question, are they worth it? Yes. For the price and light output, it's definitely worth it. If you have any question in regards with the product or installing, make sure you leave your comment down below, and I'll make sure to answer it. I wish everybody safety on this unprecedented time. Thank you for watching. Till my next video. Adios.